Alright, so got all the components in. Got the freezer evaporator in, the fresh food evaporator in. And we got the freezer evap all done. You can see where I make the connection there. They go to old parts. How bad this condenser was. It's been hard to clean it. It's all inside the coil. And there go the fresh food evaporator and freezer evap. That's how it looks in the back. I know it looks pretty. I know. Alright, so I'm making sure that it holds pressure. Then I'm going to vacuum it, charge it up, then we're good to go. Alright, hit up that like, share, subscribe button. Thank you guys for tuning in.